our topic is Audit Quality Control in Uzbekistan and all over the world. I wanted to show you Seneca's world while you are postponing life speeds by. So we must leave on time, yes, what we are doing. Next. So I want to ask you our previous lectures, we said what is audit? Who can tell me what is audit? Your opinion, please. What is audit? Your opinion, without any definition, any scientific definition. It's not a problem. You can say only with your own words. Who can tell me about it?
Audit means that somebody is listening to you or a listener.
From Latin, yes?
Yeah.
You are right. Audit, the word from Latin, means listening, yes? Audio, from audio, it define it. So, auditing is the act verification documents. So auditors verify accounting documents, also process input and output of the business process with set standards, work instructions, guidelines, statutory requirements, regulations, law by the author in the presence of the auditee. So an audit can be executed by an external or internal auditors. What is purpose of audit? While auditors begin to check, to verify any documents, they want to show who use these financial statements, show how the documents is true or false. So, first one, ensure compliance to statutory requirements, regulations, laws, and rules. Today's our theme was about law, yes, statutory requirements, about the law about audit in Uzbekistan, all over the world. They have their own law about audit. So the next purpose is to discover a gap in the business process, also to overcome the gap in the business process by implementing corrective actions with a continuous improvement goal. Also, I want to show you their purpose to obtain certification as ISO 9001, also 2015, also ISO 14001. What is it? What of certifications of these? Why auditors want to obtain these certifications? It is quality certifications. Also, we can see in the products, they check it with the ISO 9001 certification. It means that this product or service qualified. So, auditors, auditing companies want to obtain these certifications in Uzbekistan, also in all over the world. We know that in Uzbekistan we have 141 auditing companies. Yes, I said you about statistical data that nowadays we have 141 auditing companies. Only 2 companies situated in Republic of Pakistan, in Nukus city. So we can say that all the companies don't have ISO qualification certificates 9001. So we must know our auditing companies try authorized to obtain like these certifications. Only international auditing companies like KPMG, PricewaterhouseCoopers, Ernst & Young, Deloitte and Touch, HLB, like these companies have ISO 9001 certification. What is quality? What do you think about this word? What is quality? So every businessman or auditors wants to obtain qualification certificate, wants to service qualified service. Also, businessmen who do their business want to be qualified to make qualified product. So how do you think? What is quality? What is quality? Who can answer for this question? I want to say that I find DeMarco's and Lister's words about quality. Quality is free, but only to those who are willing to pay heavily for it. So we can say that we can see when the product is quality, with a high quality. We can touch it, yes, we can feel it, if it is the product. When it is service, for example, auditing service or another insurance service, we cannot feel this quality of the service. So we must know quality control of auditing companies, qualified auditing companies. We must know with their affecting factors. So next slide is definition of the quality. It is not only auditing about auditing companies, also it's definition of general using of the quality. So quality is value of worthiness for money. For example, if the product is more qualified, it has high quality, we can pay for it more, yes? If it is qualified service or product. Also, fitness for use or purpose, to do a right thing at first time, to do a right thing at the right time, find and know what consumer wants, features that meet consumer needs and give customer satisfaction, freedom from deficiencies or defects, conformance to standards. So it is the definition of the quality. What is quality? It is my point of view about quality. Quality is subjective. It's not objective, it's subjective. So it is determined by whoever is using the product at the time. Quality is relative, it changes over time. So maybe from the history we know about 100 years ago, maybe one thing was very qualified, but nowadays it is not quality product. Yes, it changes by the time. So quality service or product, it can change. So what factors affect of the quality control in auditing? It's factors which affect to the quality control. Size of audit firm. Значит, how is the scope of the auditing firm is much more high, huge, it can be more qualified. Why its effects? So next factor is nature of the client's business. The next, complexity of the audit, and the last one, experience and expertise of the auditors. So it means that auditors have more high quality certificated, so they have more worked as auditors. They see all the types of the auditing verification. It is the factors of affecting quality control. Introduction to quality control in auditing. So, how many steps auditors use when check quality control of auditing? Introduction. The first step, importance of the quality control in auditing. The next step, quality control standards. So auditors must know that importance of the quality control is in the first step. Auditors must know quality control standards. We know in international accounting and auditing standards we have quality control standards. It is 220 standard. Also, it's the first quality control standard. I sent you this quality control, all the standards, all the international auditing standards in Russian. They have like these standards, quality control standards. Also, auditors must know quality control procedures. Also, quality control review, and the last step is examples of quality control in auditing. Standards for quality control in auditing. I take this picture from the standard, from the quality control standard. What we can say about the standard? Leadership responsibilities. So auditors must have leadership responsibilities. Must be responsible what they give for the client. The next, relevant ethical requirements. So auditors must have must know about ethical requirements, and when they verify or check client's business, they must use this ethical code. They must be know these relevant ethical requirements. The next is acceptance and continuance of client relationship and specific audit engagement. Auditors mustn't do first step for the client's business. They must have relationship with the client as they must continue. So in our law, so we have law about auditing activity wrote that one auditing company can check the same client's business during 7 years. So they can continue the relationship, the client's relationship. When client wants to have that they check it by the same auditing company. When auditors of this company check it with high quality auditing procedures. So the next The next standard, in the standard, it's the fourth, human resources. Human resources, it is about auditing firm human resources. When the auditors from the company have certificated, have a lot of international certificate, they will be, human resource will be rich. The next step is engagement performance, and the last is monitoring. It is all from the quality control standard. Next slide, please. So, in conclusion, I can say quality control reviews in auditing. So, quality control is necessary for auditing companies. It can be internal quality control or external quality control. Internal quality control, it is when the director of the auditing company control their human resources. They can check their auditors and control how they work, how they audit, how they do their business, their auditing, if they do by standard or not, and it is the internal, about internal control. I can say in conclusion that external control is also necessary for auditing segment. Why? Because external control in Uzbekistan it made by Economical and Finance Ministry. Also, two organizations, it is auditing sector and National Accounting and Auditing Association. From these companies, also auditing companies must be checked by external control. If they don't control with any external or internal control, I think quality of the auditing companies maybe will be very low, not high quality. That's why in our law, also in our international accounting standards, wrote that when quality control is used by external or internal partners, auditing system will work very qualified. Thank you very much. Who has any question about today's topic? I can ask you any questions. How do you think? I wrote in this slide what problems have auditing companies? What problems? How do you think? What problems have auditing companies? You can say about it. Who can say? Aziz, please.
Maybe auditioning organizations have lack of quality control in their company and lack of methodological
guidelines. Yes. In Uzbekistan, it's not. They have no concept for auditors. They have no guideline how to use quality control standards. Every auditing company use their methodology in their own knowledge. I think that they must have only one for all over the Uzbekistan's auditing companies, only one guideline for auditors, how to improve the quality. Yes, quality auditing qualified with the qualified auditors.